It's Madagascar's top predator, and its presence is cause for alarm. It can grow to a length of 1.5 meters, and it's very seldom seen in the wild. It's a fossa. For most of the year, fossas are solitary, but in the breeding season they assemble in a way that is all their own. Each mature female takes up residence in a special mating tree. 6 or so male fossas have gathered in the forest below it, but she is clearly occupied. So one of the males leaves his scent, a visiting card just to show that he called. He will just have to wait around and see whether she takes any notice. Her present engagement can last all night. Things are not looking so satisfactory on the ground around the fossa's mating tree. The pair above are clearly still engaged. He will either have to find another mating tree or be very patient, but he may well fail altogether. A third of Madagascar's fossas have disappeared in the last 20 years, a result of the continued destruction of their forests by people.